fuck is up, you guys? If you're new here, hello, my name is Brittany, and in today's video, we have so many fucking empties to go through, it's ridiculous. I may end up breaking this up into more than one video because, you guys, you think I'm playing with the amount of empties that I have? This whole box is full too. We have a ton of shit to go through, so I'm probably going to talk really fast. I'll let you guys know my thoughts and opinions on everything, and that's pretty much it. So if you guys like empties videos, give it a thumbs up. That way I know if you want me to do a part 2 if we don't get through everything today. Alright, so we got a ton of shit to go through, so let's just dive right in. The first thing will be from Bath & Body Works. I love their candles. This is in the scent Peppermint Marshmallow. I would suggest this for like winter months. That's when I like these types of candles. Now I'm getting more into like the springy vibe. So a lot of the stuff will probably be from when I was on my hiatus, which is why I have so much stuff. But Peppermint Marshmallow, it smells amazing. It's very fitting for winter, fall time. So definitely recommend those candles. I think they're amazing. And then the next thing, I'm trying to find the cover for this. This was from the brand Peace Out. It's sold at Sephora. This was like a sampler set pretty much. So it had like the acne healing dots, it had pore strips, and then it had eye gels, I believe they were. I thought this was a really good way to see if you'd like these types of products, which the one that I recommend the most is the acne treatments. I don't feel like the pore strips or eye gels were really like groundbreaking. These were the standout product for this, but if you've been wanting to try this brand, I think this was a really good way to do it. This was, I think, 25 bucks, and then I ended up getting like my Tatcha mini sample. That was honestly why I bought this in the first place, because I wanted the sample of that. So I recommend the most the acne healing dots. I think they work amazing and they are my favorite spot treatments right now. Next thing will be the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is one of my favorite hair masks, although I'm really loving the Olaplex one more than this. I would still recommend this. I do really like it because I can use it on the roots to the tips of my hair and it doesn't weigh my hair down. I think it smells really good. I can still even smell it in here. It's still even got water in here. Oh my God. I would recommend for this though, keep an eye on the Costco website. They had the big size, and I'm kicking myself in the ass for not buying it. They had the big size of this for like 50 bucks on there before. So it's not on there right now, at least when I checked last time it wasn't. So I definitely recommend this, but I am loving the Olaplex one more, and I believe I talked about that in my Sephora recommendations video. So I love that. That's all. Next thing is going to be the AG Hair Care Sterling Silver Toning Shampoo. I love the smell of this. It smells a lot like Paul Mitchell. Like, it has that coconut fragrance, which I'm all about that life. This didn't do a ton for toning my hair, and it really dried out my hair. So I used to love this, but now that my hair is in a different state, I don't love this as much as I did. So I, as of right now, would not repurchase this one. I've been using the Provana one, I believe that's what it's called. That one has been working amazing for my hair, so this one would be a pass for me, but I did love it in the past. This will be the Kiehl's Crème de Corps Body Lotion. I love this stuff for like massages. My husband and I give each other massages all the time, and this is a really good lotion for that because it doesn't like pill up, and it just gives you like a really nice lather without using a ton of product. And like once you start using it, it's like you don't have to keep going in to get more. It's just like a moisturizer that just stays there. It gives you like really nice looking legs when you put it on your legs. They look super shiny. It's a really nice lotion, and I don't notice a scent with it either. It might have like a really light scent, but I don't even know how the hell to explain the scent that this has. I want to try the one that's in the pot. It has more of like a coconut scent, but I would recommend this. I did really like it. I think this was $44. I got this at Lord & Taylor, but I know you can get it at Sephora too. So I would recommend this. I think it's a really nice lotion, and I have mentioned that before on my channel. All right, next thing up is going to be an essence. This is from Misha. I get this on Amazon. This is the Time Revolution First Treatment Essence Mist. This is the same fucking thing as the SK2 mist. That's like $100. This I think was 10 bucks on Amazon, and it's amazing. I love this for an essence, and I would recommend with this, get the bottle that looks like this. There is another bottle that's more of like a spray, and it's clear. Get this one over that. This is white, the other one is clear. You could clearly see a difference when you go to purchase it on Amazon, and I'll try to leave it linked down below for this one. But I repurchased it in the new packaging or the different packaging. I fly through it, and I like this mist so much better than that one. I do love it. I'm still using it, and I highly recommend it, and I swear to God, it's the same thing as the SK2 Essence. Next thing will be the Belif Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. I mentioned this in my Sephora favorites, or not my Sephora favorites. I did recommend this in my Sephora recommendations video. I love this. I think this would be a really nice sleeping mask for summer, especially because it almost gives you like that aloe feeling because it's like a jelly or pudding texture. I really love this, and I love the smell of Belif products. I probably have more Belif products in here, but this was a standout product for me. It gives me a lot of hydration. This one, and actually this one here, this is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. These are amazing hydration masks, so I definitely recommend both of these. You can get them both at Sephora. This one especially was a game changer for my skin when I was flying and when I was on vacation and my face was burnt. Granted, I didn't have this one with me when I was burnt, but I think like the cooling sensation that this gives, because it is that jelly consistency, would be really nice for summertime. But this one, it helped heal my skin what felt like so fast. So I recommend both of them. I think they're amazing. I did pick up a smaller version of this during the VIB sale, but I'm kind of wishing that I got a bigger one because I love it so much. So that is it for sleeping mask. Now next thing is going to be my favorite hand soap of all time. This is the Bath & Body Works Vanilla Coconut hand soap. I love these so much. There's not much really to say other than these smell amazing and they're like that foamy consistency, and I really love that. So I recommend these. They're like the only hand soaps that I buy from Bath & Body Works. All right, next thing is going to be a body wash. This is from Neutrogena. This is the Body Clear Body Wash in the scent Pink Grapefruit. I love the scent of this. My husband hates it. It smells just like grapefruit. I love that, but like I said, he hates it. I don't think this does anything like groundbreaking for my back, especially like that's where I've been trying a bunch of new body washes because I get back knee. Like I get like cystic back acne lately, and it seems like nothing is helping me. I have been taking the Halo Beauty Kiwi Seed Booster to see if that helps, and I will be reviewing that on my channel in the future when I've tried it for a longer period of time. But I don't think this does anything like groundbreaking to help prevent my back knee. I don't think it's really improved anything. I just think it's like an okay body wash. It's like $6. So I really do like the Bath & Body Works shower gels, but I was having issues with that, which I thought my back knee was being caused by them, but clearly that's not the case because it seems like every body wash that I use lately is doing it. So I'll keep you guys posted on the Kiwi Seed Booster if I have any luck with that. And I mean, I would recommend this because it's easily accessible. It's at a lot of drugstores and I think it smells good. Like I said, my husband hates it, so I don't know. If you like grapefruit, I think you'll like it. Next thing is going to be some sheet masks. The first one is the Too Cool for School Egg Cream Mask. This is my favorite sheet mask. It's so hydrating. It just feels really nice on the skin and it sits really nicely on my face. The next one is going to be, my mom got this one for me, so I'm not sure where she got it. It's a soothing aloe vera mask, which I think would be really nice for me during the summer because I always get burned. I keep saying this in all of my videos. I'm like, sun fry me. I love being in the sun. So that would have probably came in handy more for the summer, but I did really like them. They didn't break me out, but this one here is my favorite. You can get it at Sephora and Ulta, I believe. I really like it. I do recommend these just because, I don't know. There's not much to say about sheet masks other than the fact that they don't break me out, and I don't know. It's like, you don't notice like a huge difference. I don't think. It's just like a pamper yourself type of moment. All right, next thing is going to be two more Bath & Body Works candles. The first one is Mahogany Coconut. This smells so fucking good. This is one of my favorite candles, and I can burn this one all year because I love the coconut vibe, but the mahogany scent I love because it gives you like that masculine vibe. So my husband really likes this as well. And then the other one is the Snow Mountain Lodge. This one's a lot more faint, I think, than most of the Bath & Body Works candles, but it smells really nice. It gives you like that, a little bit of like pine, but then a little bit of like the fireside moment, which I love. I bought so many of those fireside candles when they had the candle day, so I recommend fireside 1000%. I really like both of those though. Next thing is going to be another hair mask. This is from Joice. This is the K-Pak Color Therapy Luster Lock Instant Shine and Repair Treatment. So I use this as a mask. Actually, I use this as pretty much a conditioner. I only bought this because it was on sale for I think $10 for this size at Cosmoprof during the holidays. So I haven't used it since, but I do really like it. I've just been loving the Olaplex one so much. So that's like my go-to right now. I would still recommend this. I think it weighs your hair down a little bit more than the Olaplex or like the Briogeo. But for $10 for this, you can get it at Ulta as well. I think it's really nice. It's very, very hydrating as well. So I do really like that. And then actually, let's talk about Olaplex since it's right here. We got three. We got two of the number 3s, which is the Hair Perfector, and then one of the shampoo. I'm using these right now. I fucking love them. They're amazing. They do amazing things for your hair. I just talked about these in my Sephora recommendations video, so I'm not gonna say too much about them other than they're fucking amazing. Oh, I found another one of those Joico hair masks, so we don't need to talk anymore about that. Next thing is going to be from Lancome. I actually got this in my Influencer box, I believe. I got this a while ago. So this is the Rénergie, I'm totally butchering that, Lift Multi-Action Ultra Firming and Dark Spot Correcting Moisturizer. Okay, I don't think this did anything for firming or dark spots, and the only thing that I liked about this was the fact that it was in a bougie-ass glass bottle and the fact that it had SPF 30 in it, which I really like that, having an SPF in my moisturizer. But if this got in your eyes though, oh girl, I could not stand it. So I had to be really careful with this. I also didn't like the fact that this had a glass bottle because I couldn't tell when I was running out of product, because this is heavy. Like, I'm sitting there pumping and I'm like, am I out of product already? And sure as shit, I was completely out. So I don't like that. It's almost like when you drink out of a heavy cup, you feel like you have more, so you're sitting there like, it's clearly empty, but it's so heavy that you can't even tell. So that was actually one drawback. Usually I love glass bottles, but the fact that you can't see through it either, like it still looks like it's full, that was one thing I really didn't like. But it's Lancome, it's bougie, it's luxurious. It is a beautiful product. I felt like it was very moisturizing. It was a really nice daytime moisturizer, but I don't think it did anything for like firming or dark spots or anything like that. It was just like a nice moisturizer with SPF in it. All right, so this next thing is going to be from Origins. This is the Mega Bright Skin Illuminating Moisturizer. Now this has a very predominant but yummy, yummy Smarties scent to it. Like, it smells just like the Smarties candy. It smells so good, but I really didn't feel like it was that moisturizing. Like, my skin was on another level dry this past winter. I have combo skin, and I usually have an oily T-zone and a dry, like, outer perimeter of my face, or like, I would say like dry to normal. But my skin was on another dry level this year. But this, I didn't feel like gave me really any moisture. It did give you that nice, like, kind of luminosity, but it's not like groundbreaking. I don't know, this was gifted to me, but I still didn't think it was that great. I would not repurchase it. I think if you're more oily, it might work for you, but there's other ones I think that are better, like the Belif, the Aqua Bomb. That would be the one that I would recommend because I think that's amazing. And then the next thing is going to be some Kiss lashes. These are my favorite lashes. These are what's on my eyes now. These are the Kiss 11 lashes. They're bomb. I've talked about them so many times on my channel. They're like $9 for a 5 or a 6 pack. Well worth the money. I love these, and they're easily accessible. So the next thing is going to be from Glamglow. This is the Gravitymud Firming Treatment. I don't think this really did anything for me for like firming or anything. I think this is more of like a cool concept. It smells so good. I love the way it smells. It smells like a pina colada, and I really like how it like peels off. But I don't know, I don't think Glamglow masks are worth the price. I actually just put one of these in my recent giveaway, which is now closed, but I did put one of these in there. I don't know, I don't get the hype over Glamglow. I think the only one that's really worth it is the one in the white container, but I think it's so abrasive on the skin. I think there's other ones like the Ole Henriksen, I forget the exact name of it. I think it's like the Pore Plunge Mask or something like that. I would recommend that one over the Glamglow one. I think these are very overpriced for what they are. That's just my opinion on them. I've tried a bunch of them and I don't know, I feel like they're so abrasive on the skin, so I don't personally love them. All right, I'm just gonna finish up this box. I'm not gonna get through everything today. If you guys want a second video, let me know. But let's just finish this off really quick because I gotta go upstairs and cook dinner. Sol de Janeiro, I fucking love this brand. Their products smell so good. This is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream Moisture Magnet Oil and Water Body Cream. This is what I need though. I need everybody to send this video to Sol de Janeiro. Can we get this formula in the Boom Boom Cream set? I love the scent of this. I really love it for winter and fall though. When it's spring and summer, give me all of the Boom Boom Cream, okay? That is like the best, most perfect summer scent, but this formula is everything. It's like an oil cream formula. It's so hydrating on the skin. This stuff is amazing. A lot of people don't like the scent of it though. My husband thinks it smells like buttered popcorn. I get like a toasted, like warm coconut scent from it, but a lot of people have said the buttered popcorn. So a lot of people don't like the scent of this. We need this formula in the Boom Boom Cream because this is so bomb. This stays on the skin all day long. Every single time it seems like I put body lotion on, except for when I use this, it seems like it just like vanishes off of my skin. I will feel this on my skin all day long. I think this is the best formula for moisturizer, hands down, for all over your body. I would just love to see this in the Boom Boom Cream scent because I know how many people love that fragrance. And then the next thing is going to be the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I talked about this in my recommendations video. I love it. It's my favorite nighttime facial oil, so I'm not going to say too much about it because I still got some things left in here. Next thing is going to be from The Ordinary. This is the organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. I think this is a really nice daytime facial oil. I don't think it does enough for me for nighttime. I would recommend this for daytime because it does give you a little bit of something, and I never thought I would see the day that I used a facial oil during the day. And then if you're looking for a nighttime one, I would go for the Drunk Elephant. I think it's amazing, and I did mention actually both of those in my Sephora recommendations video. Next thing is going to be the Physicians Formula Rose All Day Oil-Free Serum. This is for brightening and tightening. I didn't notice any damn thing with this. If anything, I noticed like it illuminates your skin. Other than that, I think it's like worth a shot because it's drugstore, it's affordable. But as far as brightening and tightening, no, I do not see that at all. Next thing is going to be the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel. I thought this was amazing the first time that I used it, like when it first launched. When I use this one, I love the way this smells. Don't get me wrong, but when I use this one, if anything, I felt like it was really drying on my skin, which I don't remember, but I feel like my skin is in like a totally different spot now. So I personally prefer my Purity Made Simple, which that is over here in my big basket. I'll talk about that next time. But I thought this was okay, but it felt like it was more drying for me, so I would not repurchase it. I remember loving it so much before. Next thing is going to be from Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This smells so freaking good. It has a nice citrusy smell. I love the scent of this. I think it's very expensive, but it's nice. It's a nice way to prep your makeup, although I am freaking loving the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream right now. Obsessed with that. So I would repurchase that. It's just there's other ones that I'm loving more than that right now. Next thing is going to be from Way. This is the Way Hair Care Treatment Mask. I thought this was a nice hair mask. I do think that the Olaplex is better. I got this when I bought the like Summer Fridays times Way like little gift set, you know? So I really did like this. I just think the Olaplex one is like slaying my life right now. So I would recommend the Olaplex one over that. Next thing is going to be from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the Velour Lip Scrub in the scent Mojito. This is amazing. He has my favorite lip scrubs ever. They're super coarse, which is what I like because I really want it to get all the dead skin off my lips. So I've even used this on my face and on my body before, which I don't go nuts when it's on my body, but if I notice like I have like dry patches, I'll take some of this and I'll really work it into the skin. It doesn't dry anything out. I think this is such a bomb sugar scrub. I really love that. I actually just picked up Blueberry Pie, I think it was. Smells amazing. All of those lip scrubs smell so good. Next thing is going to be from Drunk Elephant. This is a little sample. This is the Drunk Elephant Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I don't see anything intensive and hydrating about this product. It just did absolutely nothing for me. Granted, it is a sample size, so I didn't get to use it for a long period of time, but I put this on and I'm like, I don't feel like it does anything. So I would not recommend this just by what I experienced when I first started using it. And then the last thing that we'll cover today is another sheet mask. This is from Tatcha. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Now, I think this is a really nice to like prep your skin for the daytime. I probably wouldn't do this at night because it's meant to make your skin look more luminous. And it's obviously something that we want during the daytime. So I do have more of these. We got these in BoxyCharm, so I'll try that and let you guys know if it's anything like groundbreaking. But when I used this before bed one night, I was just like, okay, it was like a nice sheet mask. But if I were to choose between any sheet mask, I would go back to this egg cream mask. I freaking love this sheet mask. So that's going to be all of the empties that we covered today. If you guys want that second video, let me know by giving this a thumbs up or just leave a comment down below. Let me know any thoughts you guys have about any of these products or anything you're interested in, you want to know more about, anything like that. We'll have a little conversation in the comment section. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Peace!